Good morning. We are in the dining room of the Grand Hotel and we're having the grand breakfast, which is also included with our package. And now the breakfast is amazing. I love the breakfast. I'm just going to show you a few things that we have on our table. Lillian's got her fruit and her eggs and sausage. My favorite is always cereal. You also get a basket with all kinds of breads and pastries. There's a little bit of what Steve has, and there's so much more available on the buffet. You can also order off the menu. There's juices, cereal, entrees. So if you don't see what you want on the buffet, you can get something from the menu. And they can even make things gluten-free or any other dietary things that you might request.
And now we have to rest the horses, and I will tell you something about the friend.
Hello again. So we finished a great breakfast and now we're getting ready to go on our bikes around the island. We're going to check out Arch Rock and just all that beautiful scenery around the island.
Devil's Kitchen. Here we are at British Landing. This is halfway around the island when you're riding on your bike. Up this way is the middle of the island, so you can go that way if you really want to go uphill and see some more cool historical sites. But most of the time we just go straight around the island on the water. That has a lot of beautiful, beautiful views. There's also a snack shop up here if you want to grab a snack or drink. And it's a great place for kids to get out, stretch their legs, collect some rocks, and play in the water.
Can I step on the wet rock?
Yeah, why not? Don't sit down though, sweetie, because you'll get your bum wet. Your buffalo bum.
I'm getting my shoes
That's fine.
My feet are in the water. That was cold! Is another way? Is another way you can put Daddy?
Mm-hmm. We keep coming. There's another one.
Come get it. You gotta come closer to me. It's too wet. Come over here.
The waves keep taking me.
Got those?
Yeah.
And here's the bike parking for Arch Rock. You can see it's very busy, very popular attraction, especially on the 4th of July like today.
We are walking up the stairway to Arch Rock. Lillian's ready for some exploring.
Giống như mình đi núi thôi.
It's so high up.
I have one and then you have.
Just a few more viewing classes. We could have taken this thing. Called, right here. This thing right here.
Lên đây tôi đứng cho chậm coi nè. Đây nè. Cá lù còn ở kia.
Hell no, because we don't have any quarters. We're not going to look at that. But we can look from there. Wait for Mama. Oh, we saw Arch Rock. Took a photo. Hung out for a minute. Now we're climbing the 207 steps down. Down is easier than up. And now we're going to go back on our bikes and finish up the bike trip.
Here on the right is the other big hotel on the island called Mission Point. Coming around the back side of it right now.
Lillian, we can play here tomorrow if you want.
Where? Where?
On the big lawn. Look out to your left. Yep, you're looking right way.
Check out that yacht in the water over there.
Remember we played there before? We can play with the ball. See that door? Get up.
Here Mission Point has an 18-hole putting course. It's really fun to play. And at night they have glow-in-the-dark putt, which is really cool. And then as soon as you get past Mission Point, you start to head into downtown Mackinac Island. It's Mission Church. Harborview Inn. It's a nice hotel. We stayed there. And Inn on Mackinac, right here in the Greenville. We stayed there a few years ago too. It's a nice place. Small rooms, but nice. Here's the Island House Hotel. We stayed there a while ago. Very nice hotel. Nice big rooms. And the Mackinac Island Yacht Club. There's a fort where we'll be heading tonight for the grand barbecue and fireworks party. Here's the harbor. We can park your boat. No, not today, honey. And here's the main strip of downtown. And our stop for lunch, the Pink Pony, which is our favorite restaurant on Mackinac Island. Legendary Pink Pony.
We're waiting for our table at the Pink Pony. We love sitting outside, so we put our names in for that. I think we're going to be on the upper deck. There's 2 different outside options, but that had a shorter wait time. I'm going to show you around the Pink Pony right now. It's part of the Chippewa Hotel. They have a little gift shop and a restaurant, and yeah, I'll show you. Here is the lobby area. I'm going to take you into the store. There's some cucumber water. They have some very cute gifts in here. Bags. We have a beach bag from here, and it is awesome. They have lots of cool clothes. Kind of pricey. They do have one shirt from here. All kinds of cool stuff. And there we are. Well, that was a quick overview of the gift store. Hi, cutie. Hi. It's a nice waiting area. You can get jewelry in here. That's the bar, and the inside area, which is also very nice. They have live music at night here. And you can also eat in here. All right, we're on the upper deck at the Pink Pony. We've ordered our drinks and our appetizers. They have an awesome menu. I am a fan of a lot of things they have to serve here.
Nothing.
Lillian's got her kids menu there. There's just an amazing view from this restaurant. I'm going to show you the view from down here. Well, actually, this is a view of the lower patio. And we love sitting out there too. And then you can look out at the water there.
What do you guys got?
Well, here is our chips and salsa and guacamole. Lillian's meal is already ready. Look at that delicious kids pasta with applesauce. And our drinks. There's my rum runner and my Diet Coke. Steve's getting an iced tea, as he often does. Behind me you can see the Star Line unloading. I am just hanging out here enjoying this gorgeous view. And our food's here. Steve's got a shrimp cocktail and a Caesar salad. I've got a burrata salad, and this is new on the menu, so I'm gonna try that out. I usually get it's an apple harvest salad, something like that. Margarita flatbread. I usually get this as well. And Lillian has made a new friend from the store, Mr. Pony. Is that what you're calling him, Lillian? No, Pinky. Is that right? Well, she's kind of busy right now. I think she's tying her shoe. But we're gonna enjoy all this delicious food.
All right, we just finished our lunch at Pink Pony. It was fantastic, as it always is. We jumped on our bikes, biked back to the hotel, and now we are heading to the room to get changed for the carnival and the pool.